5 minutes before 6 o'clock ngalesi sikhathi suke sengithi bamba sengiyavala ekseni bamba ke sengiyavala before you start your day. The book of Job chapter 42 verse 10 wakhona, when Job prayed for his friends the Lord restored his fortunes. Ngibambela leli verse nje lilodwa ukuthi uJob when he prayed for his friends the Lord restored his fortunes. Labangani bakhe uJob ekhulunywa ngabo ilabangani bakhe akade bemhleka uJob bekhuluma izinto ezimbi ngoJob bethi akahambe yovuma izono zakhe bese eyafa ngoba ubonakala sengathi ushawe uNkulunkulu. Ibona kade bemhleka bemkhuluma besho zonke izinto ngoJob bethi ngathi wenza izono ezinkulu ingakho uNkulunkulu emshaye ngamathumba. Kodwa lithi iBhayibheli uJob prayed for his friends. uJob prayed esenakho konke and uJob prayed enganakho konke futhi wathandaza enakho konke ecebile waphinde wathandaza futhi esengenakho konke. Wala ngisho sekunabangani bakhe kade bemhlubunga bembiza ngamagama. Lithi iBhayibheli he prayed for them and lithi iBhayibheli after he prayed for them God restored his fortunes. Ngamanye amagama umthandazo wakhe ukukhulekela abantu kade bembiza ngamagama, umthandazo wakhe ukukhulekela abantu kade bembukela phansi, umthandazo wakhe ukukhulekela abantu kade bemgxeka yiwo owa unlocka ama fortunes kaJob. Ngoba kuthiwa after he prayed for his friends akade bembukela phansi, akade bemgcona, akade bemchwenza, akade bethi ngeke zebe yilutho, uNkulunkulu wabuyisela konke uJob ayenakho. Ngamanye amagama ukukhulekela abantu abasenze kabi kunawo amandla ukuthi kubuyisela izinto ezithile kuthina. Kunabanye abantu abagilwa ngabantu abathile, balinyazwa ngabantu abathile, abakabaxoleli nasenhlizweni zabo, kodwa ukubakhulekela kwakho noma kubhlungu kunjalo kune potential ukuthi ngase kuvula iminyango ethile empilweni yakho. When Job prayed for his friends after betraying him, after speaking evil of him, but when he prayed with humility, uNkulunkulu unlocked doors of fortunes, uNkulunkulu unlocked doors of restoration. Kunabantu abathile empilweni yakho abanye bakulimaza, abanye bakuvula ilonda enhlizweni yakho, kodwa make wabakhulekela noma kungavumi kuneminyango okuzoyivula ngoba uNkulunkulu ubona inhliziyo yakho yokuxolela nokudlulisa nongabamba amagqubu bese kuvula iminyango ethile. After he prayed for his friend the Lord restored his fortune. Kuthiwa uNkulunkulu gave uJob twice as much as he had. Ayenakho kwaba doubled, abantwana bakhe baba doubled in beauty, nomcebo wakhe waba doubled, everything yakhe yaba restored, yaba ngcono kakhulu kuneyaqala. After praying for his friends wakhuleke nakho konke uJob, wakhuleke ngenakho konke. Ngoba esikwenzayo sikhuleka sinakho, sikhuleke singenakho, sikhulekela abasenza kahle, sikhulekela abangasenzi kahle, sikhulekela abasithandayo, sikhulekela nabangasithandi, sikhulekela abasivulela iminyango, sikhulekela nabasivalela iminyango. Masenza njalo uNkulunkulu will open doors empilweni zethu, nalabo abasicindezelayo bakhulekele, nalabo abangakufuni ukubona ujabulile bakhulekele. When you do that, doors of restoration will be opened. My name is Phumlani Nkwanyana. You are blessed, you are favored, and you are set apart. Good morning, Mega Grace Nation.